Hello, beautiful people. It's me again. I am here to tell you my review on the Aquasonic Black Series electric toothbrush. I'm obsessed. I used to just brush my teeth manually, and now this guy turns on, and it's powerful. It has 4 different settings, which I didn't think there was a difference between any of them. The first one's clean, which yes, just kind of goes back up and down, cleans your mouth, cleans your teeth, cleans your tongue. And then the next one is soft, and it's not as doesn't really put any pressure on it. The next one is whitening. Y'all, can I tell you, I don't know what's happening here, but when I use this, it definitely 100% whitens my teeth. I don't know how it is different than the other settings. And then last one is massage, and it's beautiful, especially getting back there. Ooh, feels so good. So yeah, electric toothbrush, 100%. I'll never go back to manually brushing my teeth. So love this product, Aquasonic Black Series.